Here's how to earn your first $100 using ChatGPT. Let's start by going to this website right here, which I'll link to below the like button. ChatGPT is an excellent chatbot, as you are probably aware. But before we start, welcome to That AI Ninja. This is the channel where we show you how to earn easy money by using the latest AI technology. Consider liking this video, subscribing, and hitting the notification button to stay informed if new and popular money-making techniques are posted. Now, if you ask ChatGPT, what are the 5 best ways to make money online? The first way is freelancing. The second way is online selling. The third way is blogging and content creation. The fourth way is online tutoring. And the fifth way is online surveys. Because you only need to make the product once and may sell it repeatedly, the profit margin is exceptionally high. In addition, making digital goods is cost-free. As you can see, selling digital goods like ebooks or courses is one of the top methods to make money online, according to ChatGPT. I'll now demonstrate how to use ChatGPT to build an ebook for you. And I'll show you exactly how to make money from your ebook in a moment. To get passive income, all you need to do is produce it once and sell it repeatedly. Let me now demonstrate how to use ChatGPT to quickly write a fantastic ebook. Now we need to come up with a topic for your first ebook before we can begin writing it. What kind of ebooks should you produce with ChatGPT? First things first, if you want to earn money selling ebooks, you need to sell products that customers are interested in. Therefore, you're interested in learning about the most widely read nonfiction book categories. It's also quite simple to learn. All we have to do is ask in GPT. I'll just type something similar. What are the popular categories for nonfiction books? You may use ChatGPT to help you complete the research even if you have no ideas about the types of ebooks you want to write and sell. You want to learn what is hot and in demand so that you can produce ebooks to meet that need. So you ask ChatGPT what the popular categories are for nonfiction books. Avoid writing a book that no one will want to buy. You must think it's a waste of time. As you can see, we offer many wonderful concepts like self-help and personal development. The business and economics area is another well-liked one. History, food and drink, art and design, and all these other topics are also included. You can simply ask ChatGPT to make additional suggestions if you want more ideas. I suggest 5 more popular categories as an illustration. If these 10 suggestions don't satisfy your needs, you may ask ChatGPT to keep coming up with others. Therefore, there are new concepts such as psychology and mental health, the environment and sustainability, education and learning, philosophy and religion, parenting and family, and so forth. These are all excellent concepts. So let's choose business and economics as our example, which is both an intriguing and extremely large category. Asking ChatGPT will help us come up with even better suggestions for nonfiction books. We don't intend to create an all-encompassing ebook about money and business. It will be very difficult to sell because it is too general and not particular enough. To get even better ideas, let's ask ChatGPT, what are the subtopics for business and economics? Then we can wait for ChatGPT to respond with a list of the most well-liked subtopics, and this will greatly help us with our ebook. As a result, under business and finance, there are topics like marketing and sales, management and leadership in the economy and financial markets, entrepreneurship and small business, personal finance, real estate investing, and so forth. Simply choose the one that interests you the most. For illustration, let's use entrepreneurship. We may now begin writing the book. Let's start off by chatting. I'll just write something like, write an outline for a book on entrepreneurship. ChatGPT will plan out the book for you and give you a table of contents with all the different chapters organized neatly. We'll have an introduction in Chapter 1 on the definition and overview of entrepreneurship and all these other things. Now what you want to do is copy the outline in ChatGPT for your book and paste it into Google Docs. We already have the entire book's outline in hand. We now want ChatGPT to begin composing the book for us. We'll begin with the introduction and definition of entrepreneurship in the first chapter. When we ask ChatGPT to write the first chapter for our ebook, it will do so. All you have to do is choose it, copy it, go back to Google Docs, and paste it in. All we have to do is copy the chapter name and paste it into ChatGPT. We now have the book's first chapter. Then we just go on to the following chapter. I'll head over to the name copy of the subsequent chapter, and then return here to speak with GPT. I'll delegate writing this chapter to ChatGPT. The second chapter will be this one. Talk GPT and we'll have you write it for us. When it's finished, we pick it up, copy it, and then exactly like before, paste it into Google Docs. We just keep doing this, asking ChatGPT to copy and paste chapters 3, 4, 5, and so on as they are written down. We'll have our entire ebook written out for us in just a few minutes. By the way, you can just ask the GPT to write more if you think a chapter is too short, and they request it in a conversation. More paragraphs will be added to the chapter by ChatGPT. You can utilize ChatGPT to quickly make your first ebook, and to download it as a PDF, all you need to do is go to File Download and select the PDF document. You'll need to upload your ebook to a site so that you can sell it after using Chat and GPT to produce it. Gumroad.com is only one of the many venues you may use for this. This platform is accessible anywhere. After that, I want you to leave a comment below and tell me where in the world you are seeing this video. I'll be able to make future films with content tailored to your area in this way. As you can see, if you like, you can utilize Gumroad to sell a PDF ebook or other forms of digital goods. The benefit of Gumroad is that there are no ongoing fees, which makes it free. In order to use other platforms, you frequently need to spend a significant amount, such as $30, $40, or even $100. Through Gumroad, no monthly charges are necessary. Only when you make money and generate sales do they charge their 10% fee. Gumroad is so advantageous because it allows you a free initial start. Additionally, Gumroad will take 10% of your earnings as fees. For instance, Gumroad would deduct $10 from the price of your ebook as platform costs if you sold it for $100. All you need to do to drive traffic after your ebook is prepared for Gumroad sale is to advertise it on social media. To encourage people to visit Gumroad and purchase your ebook, you can use YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. Now, if you want to increase traffic to your ebook, go here to watch my next video, in which I reveal a secret strategy for generating tens of thousands of engagements. Subscribe and give this video a like if you'd like to see more content like it. That's that AI Ninja. And until next time, thanks for watching.